Welcome back to the channel. In this vlog, we're exploring Orlando's biggest attractions: Disneyland Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, SeaWorld, and NASA Kennedy Space Center, all in just 3 days. Our journey begins in the heart of Dallas, bags packed, energy high, and excitement in the air. We stayed at Candlewood Suites Orlando, which cost us around $400 for 4 days. The hotel is amazing. Spacious rooms, super comfy beds, and even a stovetop for cooking if you want to make breakfast yourself. Perfect for families or anyone who loves a little home cooking on the road. From here, it's just a 10-minute drive to Disney's Magic Kingdom, so getting there early is super easy. So let's start the journey. We woke up early around 6:30 a.m. because Disney crowds get crazy after 9. From Candlewood Suites, the drive to Magic Kingdom is around 10 to 12 minutes. We took the route via Palm Parkway, World Center Drive. Smooth traffic, great roads, no stress. Once you reach the Disney parking area, you don't go straight to Magic Kingdom. You first arrive at the Transportation and Ticket Center, TTC. From there, you choose monorail ferry boat. We chose the ferry ship because honestly, the view of Cinderella Castle from the water in the morning, absolutely magical. The moment that ferry touches the Magic Kingdom dock, you can hear the music, see the colors, and feel the excitement. It's like stepping into a different world. Everyone around us had the same big smile. Kids, parents, even adults who turned into kids again. First stop, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. The line is already buzzing with excitement, but it moves quickly. This ride is perfect for feeling like a kid again. Twists, turns, and the fun mine cart speed.
Hi-ho! 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 It's home from work we go!
Next, we flew over London with Peter Pan's flight. The queue is themed like Wendy's nursery. Small details make you feel like you're in the story. The ride itself, smooth, magical, and a perfect start to your Fantasyland adventure. Then we zipped into the future with Tron Light Cycle Run. The line has neon lights. The anticipation builds with electronic music. And when you finally hit the ride, wow, the speed and thrill is unmatched. After Tron, we wandered around Tomorrowland. So many futuristic rides, shops, and photo spots. This is where you catch a breath, enjoy snacks, and take a few fun selfies. Then it was time for Jungle Cruise, the classic boat ride with hilarious guides and animatronic animals. The jokes, the scenery, the adventure, a perfect slow-paced ride to enjoy. Next, we boarded Pirates of the Caribbean. From the moment the boat enters dark caverns to the animatronic pirates singing, it's a ride full of surprises. You feel like you're inside the movie. After a packed morning, we headed back to the hotel for a 2-hour rest. Time to recharge, freshen up, and get ready for the evening magic. Evening vibes at Magic Kingdom are unreal. We returned to catch the Town Square Theater, met some characters, and wrapped up the day with the Castle Lights Show and fireworks. It's the perfect magical ending. Colors, music, and smiles everywhere. Day 1 was insane. If you enjoyed the adventure, hit subscribe and get ready. Day 2 is going to be even wilder.